Alright guys, so today in this video I will be doing a how to do two ponytail and Malia hair for back to school. So spring break is over and she's just gonna get her hair done just for the week. So I'll be doing it in two ponytails. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do her.
So guys, in this part of the video, my mic did went out. So now I have to do a voice overlay for the whole video, guys. So let's get into this video. So this hair that I was telling you guys before in my Amazon haul, this hair is very soft, guys. It's very silky. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna plait this hair. I might use some rubber bands or something at the end of the tip of the hair so it could stay together, because the hair is very soft, guys. It is very soft and long and silky. So let's get into it, guys, and let's start with Malia hair. I have a cold as well, and I'm trying to get through with this video. This video is very late. It's like 2 weeks late, but I'm here now, so let's get it done. Malia is very tender-headed, guys, so I use the big teeth comb always. And if you guys have any recommendation, if you guys have any tender-headed kids out there, or if you are tender-headed and you could give me some type of recommendation on what you do for your hair, how you comb it, or what do you use, so you don't, be kicking and screaming like Malia. But she's being a good girl today because she's on camera. But guys, I'll be parting this hair down the middle for her two ponytails while she sit on her phone and relax. And straighten this head out. She is so tall, guys. She is literally growing overnight. She is growing overnight. And as you see in some of these pictures, Malia is taller than me. She's getting there. She's almost taller than me. And she is so happy that she's taller than me. So guys, I'm just parting her hair down the middle, making sure that the part is straight down. There we go. It looked pretty straight to me. So I'm just going to clean it up, make sure it's straight. This is a Blue Magic grease. This Blue Magic grease I've been using for years, since I was a kid. This is the coconut brand. My mom used to buy the blue. But it's so good for your hair. So I'm gonna just grease her hair up, grease her scalp so it could stay moist. Yeah, and this is the big teeth comb that I'll be using for her hair, because like I said, she's very tender headed. Look at her. She is a trip, guys. She can't wait to get her hair done as well. This is the gel that I will be using in her hair to keep it down, because her hair is so thick. I just don't know how to keep her hair flat down. So I'll be also using the Got To Be Glue spray, and I will be spraying her head down completely with the Got To Be Glue spray, so it could stick and stay flat for at least a week, guys. I need it to stay flat at least a week, because that's how long her hairstyle really lasts, because Malia is scared. Ooh, child, y'all. Yeah, let me get her together. Here go the Got To Be Glue spray. So we're just gonna get this going. So guys, if you watched this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that post notification bell is on, guys. So continue watching. We appreciate it. See you guys in a minute. Continue watching. As you seen, I was spraying that Got To Be spray, baby, so it could just stay down. Her hair is so thick. You just brush that up. See you guys. Continue watching. I appreciate it. You guys, y'all see Big Daddy over there in the background. He is never far apart, okay? He is not far apart from us at all times. He's always close by. When I'm saying personal security, a personal bodyguard, let me say that. That's our personal personal bodyguard, okay? Oh, we love him, guys. That's my king, okay? That's my king, baby. My pudding. But back to the video. Hope you guys enjoying so far. Thank you. Let me wrap her hair up so it can stay flat. I'm trying to wrap her edges, her baby hairs. Wrap that up, tighten it down so it can stay flat until I finish doing the ponytails. And the hair description will be in the description below. So it's time to attach the hair. Let's get it started. So in this part of the video, I will be wrapping Malia hair along with the ponytail and the drawstring. So I'll be wrapping this drawstring around her ponytail, and I'm gonna put that as tight as possible, but not too tight because pull these apart. And this is the piece of hair that I'm gonna wrap around at the end of the ponytail, guys. So again, guys, thank you for watching. If you came along this far, I appreciate you. Continue watching. Don't go away. Watch it till the end. We appreciate it. You only got a few minutes, guys. Stick around. Stick around. It's only a few minutes. Alright, so let me just finish braiding and let you guys sit and watch. Okay, so I have that braid down and ready to go. I will be just wrapping the leave out around her ponytail, the edge of her ponytail, and just keep wrapping that around. Spraying got to be glue because, like I say, the hair is so straight. I will be spraying a whole lot of got to be glue spray. Could have done was spray and blow dry, like I was saying. Just spray and blow dry. Maybe that would have helped. But like I said, it worked out very well. And look how pretty. She loved the hairstyle, guys. This was quick and fast. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. And we out, guys. Look at this ponytail, how long it is and cute. If you think I did a great job, comment down below. See you guys in the next video. Peace.